Hello viewers, in this video I will continue with definite integrals. Here I will discuss the questions from exercise 7.11. Here I will discuss about how to solve the questions on area of bounded regions. Now these are the questions from the 11th exercise of chapter 7 integrals from the book Applied Mathematics class 12 by Yamal Agarwal. In my introduction video on definite integrals, I have explained how we can say definite integrals as area under the curve. So here we will see some of the questions where we can find the area of bounded regions. So the first question, find the area of the region bounded by y square equal to x and the lines x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 and the x-axis in the first quadrant. So for such type of questions, first we have to draw a rough sketch. We have to draw the graph, we have to draw a rough sketch of the curve and the lines, and we have to shade the region for which we have to find the area, and after that we have to find the required area using definite integrals. So this is the x-axis, the y-axis, and this is the curve corresponding to y square equal to x. So this is the curve y square equal to x, and then the lines x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 1 is a line which passes through the point 1, 0 and parallel to the y-axis. So this is the line x is equal to 1, and x is equal to 4, it is a line passing through 4, 0 and parallel to the y-axis. So this is the line x is equal to 4. So the region bounded by x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4, this curve y square equal to x and the x-axis in the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. So the corresponding region is, so this is the region which is corresponding to all these curves. Now we have to find the area in this region. So let us write required area equal to shaded area. Now the area of this shaded area, it can be calculated as integral 1 to 4, because we need to know from 1 to 4, integral 1 to 4, and then this curve. This curve is the y curve, that is the f of x curve or the y curve. So we can write y curve into dx. Since our reference axis is x-axis, we need to have the limits from this point to this point, that is 1 to 4 y curve into dx. So this is equal to integral 1 to 4 y curve dx. Now we have to have y in terms of x. So y square equal to x means y is equal to plus or minus root x. Since we are asked only in the first quadrant, we will take positive root x alone. So this is equal to integral 1 to 4 root x dx. Now solving this integral, it is very easy. So the important part is drawing the graph and drawing the shaded region. So that is more important. Now integral 1 to 4 root x dx, it is very easy. It is nothing but x raised to half plus 1 by half plus 1. So it is x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So it is 2 by 3 into x raised to 3 by 2 with the limits 1 to 4. Or this is equal to 2 by 3 into 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. Now 4 raised to 3 by 2, it is nothing but 4 is 2 square. So it is 2 square, the whole raised to half, the whole cube. This 4 is nothing but 2 square, and the whole raised to 3 by 2 we can write it as the whole raised to half, the whole cube. So 2 square, root and square will go, so we will have 2 cube. So this is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 cube is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7. So required area is equal to 14 by 3 square units. So this is the required area. The next question, find the area of the region bounded by x square equal to 4y, y is equal to 2, y equal to 4 and the y-axis in the first quadrant. So here we have to find the area of the region bounded by this curve, these lines and the y-axis in the first quadrant. So this is the x-axis, the y-axis, and this is the curve x square equal to 4y. And the line y is equal to 2, it is a straight line parallel to the x-axis and passing through 0, 2. And this is the line y is equal to 4. It is a straight line passing through 0, 4 and parallel to the x-axis. So this is 0, 4 and this is the line y is equal to 4. Now we need to find the area of the region bounded by this curve x square equal to 4y, y equal to 2, y equal to 4 and the y-axis in the first quadrant. So the corresponding area is this part. So here again the first step is the same, required area equal to the shaded region or shaded area. So here we have to take this y-axis. So the integral will be from 2 to 4 x curve dy. So here our variable will be y and the limits will be with respect to y. So here y varies from 2 to 4 x curve dy. Here the given curve is x square equal to 4y or x is equal to plus or minus 2 root y. Again here we are taking only the positive side. So we will have only the positive 2 root y. So this will be integral 2 to 4 2 root y dy. So the required area is equal to integral 2 to 4 x curve dy. So this is equal to integral 2 to 4. Here we have 2 root y into dy. Now let us find the answer. So this is 2 into integral root y dy. Integral root y is nothing but y raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So it is 2 by 3 into y raised to 3 by 2 with the limits 2 to 4. So this is equal to 4 by 3 into, here 4 raised to 3 by 2, it is nothing but 4 root 4 and 2 raised to 3 by 2, it is nothing but 2 root 2. So here 2 is common, we can take it outside. So this is equal to 8 by 3 into 4 minus root 2 square units. The next question, draw a rough sketch of the curve y square equal to 8x and find the area of the region bounded by y square equal to 8x and the line x is equal to 2. So here let us draw the curve first, a rough sketch. So the x-axis, this is the y-axis and the curve y square equal to 8x. This is the curve y square equal to 8x, and this is the line x is equal to 2. So it is a straight line which passes through here 2 comma 0 and parallel to the y axis. So this is the line x is equal to 2. Now if we have to find only this area in the first quadrant, then we can use the integral directly, but here it is asked area of the region bounded by y square equal to 8x and this line. So it means we have to find this entire area. So using integral we can find this area, but our required area is the dotted part. So our required area includes the portion which is below the x-axis also. So how we can find is nothing but we can find this as it is 2 times the area of this part, that is area of OA BC. So required area is equal to the dotted region. The dotted region, it is nothing but it is 2 times area of OA BC. So it is 2 times this part. Now we know how to find the area of this part using definite integral. So area of the region OA BC, it is nothing but it is integral 0 to 2 y curve dx. So again here y square equal to 8x means y is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2 into root x. So we are using only the positive side. So it is only plus 2 root 2 into root x. So this is equal to 2 into integral 0 to 2 root 2 into root x dx, or it is equal to 4 root 2 integral 0 to 2 root x dx. Now integral root x dx, we know it is x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, or it is 4 root 2 into 2 by 3 into x raised to 3 by 2 from 0 to 2. So this is equal to 8 by 3 root 2 into here 2 raised to 3 by 2, it is nothing but it is 2 root 2, that is the upper limit, minus 0. Now let us simplify. So here we have 8 into 2 16, 16 into root 2 is 2. So 16 into 2 is 32. So this is equal to 32 by 3 square units. So this is the required area. The next question, using integration, find the area of the region bounded by the line 2y equal to 5x plus 7 x-axis and the line x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 8. So first let us draw the lines. So here when we have a line like this 2y equal to 5x plus 7, how we can find the line is that we can substitute x as 0. So y will be 7 by 2. So this will be 1 point, and then we can substitute y as 0 and x will be minus 7 by 5. This is the other point. So using these 2 points, we can just draw a straight line roughly which covers these 2 points. So this point is roughly 0 comma 7 by 2 and this point is roughly minus 7 by 5 comma 0. So if we join these 2 lines, we will get the line 2y is equal to 5x plus 7. So this is the line 2y is equal to 5x plus 7. And then the lines x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 8. X is equal to 2 is the line which passes through 2 comma 0 and parallel to the y-axis. So this is x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 8 is the line which passes through 8 comma 0 and parallel to the y-axis. This is the line x is equal to 8 and this is the x-axis. So the region bounded is this part. So this is the region bounded by all these lines. So this is the region bounded by these lines. That is A, B, C, D. Now we can find the required area. So required area is equal to shaded area, or it is equal to area of the trapezium ABCD. So this area we can find very easily. It is integral 2 to 8 y curve dx. So it is integral 2 to 8 y curve or y line. Here it is a line. So it is y line dx. So this is equal to integral 2 to 8. Here y line is nothing but it is half of 5x plus 7. So let us write this half outside into 5x plus 7 dx. Now we can integrate this very easily. So it is 5x square by 2 plus 7x with the limits 2 to 8. So it is equal to half of, when we substitute the upper limit, 5 into 64 by 2 plus 7 into 8, then minus, when we substitute the lower limit, we get 5 into 2 square by 2. So it is 5 into 2 minus 7 into 2. So there is 1, 2 outside. Let us cancel this. So here it will be 16, then 4. Here these 2 will go. So it is equal to 80 plus 28 minus 12. So it is equal to 96 square units. So this is the required area. The next question, find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y square equal to 4ax and its latus rectum. So for a parabola y square equal to 4ax, the latus rectum is nothing but it is the line which passes through the focus and perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. So this is the latus rectum and it has got a length 4a. So this latus rectum, it passes through the focus. Here the focus is a comma 0 and this is the parabola y square equal to 4ax. So this is the latus rectum. So the area of the region, we have to find the area of the region bounded by this entire part. Now we know how to find the area of this region. So the area of the entire region will be twice this region. So here required area is equal to dotted region, or it is equal to 2 times integral 0 to a y curve dx. So here we can see that y is equal to plus or minus 2 root a into root x. We have to take only the positive part. So this is equal to 4 root a integral 0 to a root x dx. Now we can integrate this very easily. So it is x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 with the limits 0 to a. Taking this 1 by 3 by 2 outside, we get 8 by 3 root a into a root a minus 0. So this is 8 by 3 into a into root a is a. So it is a square. So it is 8 by 3 a square units. So this is the required area. The next question, find the area bounded by the curves y equal to x and y equal to x square. So first let us draw the diagram. So this is the curve y equal to x square and this is the line y equal to x. So this is the line y equal to x and this is the curve y equal to x square. Now we need to find the area bounded by these two. So the required area is this part, the dotted region. Now how to find the area of this dotted region? We can find this area only when we know this point, that is the point A. Now to find the point A, we will find the point of intersection of these two curves, which is B. So we need to find the coordinates for B. How we can find the coordinates for B is nothing but we need to solve these two equations. Since this is the curve y equal to x square and this is the line y equal to x, when we solve these two, we can find the point of intersection of these two curves, that is the line y equal to x and the curve y equal to x square. So it is given y equal to x and y equal to x square. So solving 1 and 2, we get y equal to y square or y square minus y equal to 0 or y into y minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to 0 and y equal to 1 are the two values for y which we can get. Now, when y equal to 0, we can see that x equal to 0. Y equal to 0 implies x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 implies x equal to 1. Therefore, the point of intersection are 0, 0 and 1, 1. Therefore, the coordinates for B is 1, 1. So, these are the points of intersection 1, 1. It means this point A, it is nothing but it is 1, 0. Now, we can find the area of the shaded part very easily. We can find the area of the shaded part as the area of this triangle. This triangle OAB minus the area of this part OBA. Now required area equal to dotted region Now the area of the dotted region can be calculated as area of this triangle minus area of this part, or it is equal to integral 0 to 1 y line dx minus integral 0 to 1 y curve dx. So it is equal to integral 0 to 1 y line is nothing but it is x, y equal to x dx minus integral 0 to 1 y curve, it is nothing but it is x square dx. Now we can simplify this very easily. So it is x square by 2 with the limit 0 to 1 minus x cube by 3 with the limits 0 to 1. So this is equal to half minus 1 by 3, or it is equal to 1 by 6. So the required area is 1 by 6 square units. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.